Try. What up, dude?
What's going on?
That's my homie right here. Yes.
And
So we had an injury day.
Damn. Looks so good. Love it. Looks just like my G. Sick ass bumper. All aero.
Alright. It's that new electric EVO. Electric.
Ready for the track. You almost complete. Yeah.
Go ahead and this right.
Ready? Alright, go. 1, 2, and 3.
Damn, Daniel. Man, that should transform, dude. Ooh. There she is. Fresh kicks. He's back. Love it. Oh my god. That shit looks so good. I gotta get these headlights done. That orange is so ugly. I get those blacked out. Demon eyes. Wheels getting refinished. God, this shit looks so good. You guys don't understand how much I love this color. Clearly. This is my original look, you know? This is Fresh Kicks right here. What's up, guys? It's a Monday. I'm heading to LA real quick. I'm gonna go pick up some wheels. I actually need some stocks for this car because I need to take these wheels and go get them repaired and have them finished. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick up some wheels right now. I was gonna get some stocks, but everybody wanted like $500-600 for stocks, so I found some MB battles, so I'm down. So I'm gonna go cop those. Probably gonna use them for like a week or so until the wheels are done, and I'll probably just sell them. Fun. Fun. I hate traffic, bro. I would never move to LA. I hate this shit. I hate coming here. God, man. Because every time I have to come here, it's for something important. I can never get shit done because it's damn traffic. Damn, dog, those MB battles. Sick. I mean, shit, I'd rather pick these up versus some stocks. Just, I hope these damn tires fit. I don't know if the tires are gonna fit. I'm always cutting it close with these damn wheel specs on this EVO. But hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be sad, because that's the only reason I really bought them. They came with tires. Motorcycle cop almost caught me vlogging. Fuck, put the shit away. So out here getting a couple shots. My favorite spots in LA. Shot my G here, the Z, everything. Out here with the Nikon. I used to actually shoot a lot of pictures of my cars, but then I got lazy. But man, it's a beautiful day. This EVO is goals to me right now. Like, this shit looks so good. Once I get my wheels done, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Down here, another spot. Always come down here to shoot. The spot's sick. I do a lot of commercials, movies, and shit down here. Just trying to get some new flicks of that new rap. So right now, I'm gonna test fit. I'm I'm gonna see if these fit. I hope they do, so that way I can just rock them. Take these to the tire shop tomorrow, unmount them, take them to the shop, wait for them, put them back on. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these or not. They're gonna be battles. They're pretty sick. I always like these wheels. Curb Rash boys though. I mean, it's cool. Jesus Christ, these look like absolute shit. It's so dirty. Like, bro, you never clean these things? It's all good. I ain't tripping. And bow. And they don't look any different. I'm just kidding. They look a little better. Definitely need some powder coat. It's all good. They're just stockies. Yeah, before I wrapped it, I already knew that the silver was not gonna flow that good with the blue, so definitely gonna get those shined up. We'll be here. Moment of truth. See if this fits. My man pulled up. John Skywalker. If you guys follow this buff guy on the IG, hella famous all over me. He is a VQ owner. My man Hercules out here.
Arm put in. Fucking, what's that? Captain America, Winter Soldier.
Oh yeah.
Thick ass fool. He out here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some wheel spacers.
Alright, let's see if it fits. I'm pretty sure it will. Hey. Perfect. Doesn't get any better. Nice meaty fitment. Okay, cool. So, totally skipped my mind. I forgot that the last owner put EVO 10 brakes on here, so they don't fit. I'm done. It sucks, man. The little meaty fitment was cool too. This is perfect. Fuck. That sucks. So now I gotta find some wheels. So I made an appointment to drop these off tomorrow. Shit sucks, man. Ruined all my plans. I'm on OfferUp, trying to find some wheels. So to clear those calipers, I need an 18 for sure. 17s won't work. So I totally forgot that I actually have a set of RPF 1s on my Z. And it fits. It looks actually pretty sick. But man, that fitment is, ooh, I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna do on the freeway if I hit a dip. I don't wanna wrap up. But it's only gonna be for a couple days until my wheels get done. That fit doesn't look too bad. They're both black, so YOLO. It looked kind of cool and everything, but I went right here and it was just like basically just kissing the fender. So if I had drove like that, definitely would have effed my fenders up. So I'm good. But I went ahead and used George's wheel. Fit perfect. It's cool. It's an 1810, so clears. 15 offset. Actually looks pretty good. Besides the fact that this nigga never cleaned this shit. Look at the difference. I cleaned this one over here. God damn. Like a new wheel. But it's a little ratchet right now, but it's all good. It's the daily anyways, I ain't tripping. Some little tire shine, you know. Even though the wheels don't match, doesn't mean you can't clean them. If you guys are wondering, these are Inky RPO3s. Look pretty clean. So yeah, I gotta take these the other wheels to the tire shop tomorrow, get them unmounted, take them on to the shop, wait for them to get done, slap them on back, and yeah, fresh kicks will be back in action. I kind of like this look. It looks like a race car. 2-wheel drive, a drift EVO. Whole lot of Tomei shit going on. Oh shit. Tomei gang. Damn, Tomei gang. Tomei gang. Boy. Tomei is life. So, motor's done. Just ready to be dropped. Excited. Miss driving my car. Yeah, look. Before and after. So big ass video. Guess I forgot one of the pipes. Today ain't my day. Sucks. Tell me tomorrow. Dude, I need elote. Well, will you look what we have here? Dumbass. I could have sworn everything I brought that, but obviously I didn't. So, install the Tomei in the morning. Dropping the wheels off.
Yeah.
A little before and after. Sick. Oh yeah, it's Tomei time. Oh yeah, Steve, it's Tomei time. It's Tomei time, so. It's Tomei time.
Whole lot of Tomei shit.
Whole lot of Tomei shit. Yeah, this shit gotta go. Sorry, champ. You're out of here. The niggas say Tomei and shit.
Is that a Tomei?
Yes, it is, bitch.
Whole lot of Tomei.
This man here cannot have a car without a Tomei.
Tomei!
This G35 had a Tomei.
I actually had AP. I lagged on that. I'm sorry. Tomei gun.
That's why your G35 ran like shit, because it didn't have a Tomei.
Probably why.
Fucked up because I had AP.
Yeah. See, you have a G35 and you don't have a Tomei. That's why your tire popped. And your header has a big hole in it.
You told me? Trash. Basura.
Damn, dog.
I'm hating.
Why? Why you
That's
hating?
wrong. That's why Tomei is bad. It's too loud. No. It's too loud,
Nah.
Looks like shit.
Forced induction is way quieter.
No. Bad.
I think you just want to EVO.
Blow ahead of gas ticket tomorrow.
It's okay.